All right, guys, this is Danny, the Power Trader, trading the Asian session. I am looking, it is 8:10 p.m. Thursday, February 27th. Okay. I just want to show that a good system can get you to trade at any time of day or night. It's nighttime right now. Here I have my speed optimizer, and I'm looking at a 6-tick NinjaTrader chart right now. It looks like I'm on optimal efficiency, so that means this should be a good chart to trade from. That's the whole point, that it gives me the chart. Later on, obviously, I'll have a way of showing which chart is recommended depending on the volatility of what's going on in the market. So for right now, let me just get everything set up because I want to make sure that I'm set before I, okay. Let me get my ATMs set up. It's maybe a 15 tick. Take profit chart right here. All right. Tonight I'm trading take profit evaluation. I'm not trading a small account yet. This is part one actually in the rags to riches storyline that I'm trying to build. My goal for tonight is to attempt 3 trades, hopefully hitting my profit within the hour if things go well, because you know, when do things in life actually go how you plan? But I'm keeping it very simple. I'm trading the take profit account. I am copy trading. For those that don't know what that is, you can always look that up. I'll explain it at another time also. Copy trading to other accounts. But for right now, I am just keeping it simple. Let's see. By the way, just want to show, this is, just want to show this chart. Where is it? Sorry, I'm on another screen right now trying to get the chart up. Okay, here it goes. So this is a chart that's not optimized yet. As you can see, it says low efficiency right here. Is the 5-tick. That means that the market is moving a little too fast for this specific chart. It doesn't mean you can't trade it. It just means that if you trade it, the signals aren't reliable. And I rather have reliable signals because I am going to be risking a very specific amount per trade, and I need each signal to be as reliable as possible. Should I turn power mode on? All right, no. All right, for this video, I'm not doing that. But I do have ability to turn on power mode right here. It gets rid of extra signals that are not needed. Here comes enhanced eagle eye. The enhanced eagle didn't have a lightning bolt with it. Oh, there's the eagle. That was an enhanced slingshot. There's the eagle. Now, the problem with this trade, this is a trade right here. This whole thing is a trade. If you follow me long enough, you'll start realizing a pattern. I don't like trading right into anything that can stop me. And if you're new to trading, then you wouldn't understand this. But anyone that knows trading knows this is the daily open. Right now, that is a strong level. This right here is VWAP. It's 8 p.m., so VWAP isn't as strong in the Asian session as it is in the daytime. Because, you know, VWAP has to do with how many times people have been trading a certain area, the volume weighted average. And it's just not as important, but I still give it a nice respect whenever it's needed. I'm looking for a trade here. If I don't get one, then that's fine. I'll just be patient because there's no rush. Although I do love that my system gives so many signals, I don't like taking just any signal because it makes no sense. If I had power mode on, then some of these signals would have already been filtered out. Okay, let's see what happens right here. The lightning bolts are the impulse drive. That's a separate algo that I'm working on. I have to embed it into into the algo that I'm working on. to be named in the future. All right. Staying patient. Staying patient. Staying patient. Okay, there is a signal there. I don't know if you see it. That signal has lightning. All right, so I am taking this signal right here. Make sure that I have my stop set. Oh, there's a star. Okay, unfortunately, when I took the signal, the star came in after. All this means is I got to protect myself a little bit, but not too much. All right, I'm leaving it alone. Make sure that... Okay. So I am going to mark this down. These aren't my favorite signals. These are the drawbacks. They're really good with impulse powering them. For some reason I don't see an impulse signal. I don't understand that. Probably a little error, a little glitch in the code. All right, this is 1. Whatever happens, that's the first signal. Okay. Profit target on this signal is PT1. It's not going to be 32. It'll be about 16 then. So over here, I'm targeting. That's PT1. PT1 hits. Awesome. But since this is the first trade, I'm just going for like a quick scalp. If I can get it, then great. Obviously, I prefer to go for VWAP, but I would rather do that once I'm already in profit. Since this is the very first trade, and because I'm all about transparency, make sure that you show my P&L. Let's see if PT1 hits. If PT gets close. Oh, it got close. It didn't trigger yet. The risk is removed on the trade regardless. Okay. So that's it. That sucks. If it doesn't fill, then it doesn't fill. The good thing about it is, guess what? The risk is gone. That's it. It's one of my favorite things about it. I'm either going to take a little profit or... right there, there's a star. Oh, 17. I'm taking it. Give it to me. All right. Not bad for a trade that I wasn't too happy about. Okay. Trade number 1 on this account was a success. It hit PT1. And PT1 was met with a star. These stars are one of my powerful signals. Tells me something really important is going on in the market. It's not my most powerful signal. That, if you watch any of my other videos, you're going to be... Oh, darn it. Look what happened. See? That star was a warning that something was about to happen, and it went right into PT2 right there, which goes through this VWAP. PT2, that would have been a $150 trade, but it's okay. I honestly, on these signals, these are called the drawbacks. I just really want to take a quick scalp, and that's only if I even like the signals, because I rather have the higher probability signals. Okay, this will all be explained later, but I have an H bias shorts. Do I really? Yes. H bias shorts. I don't have any impulse. I don't have a short signal setting up. So even though it looks short there, notice how the bars all turn green. That means we're in something called a bull run. Bull run means that for right now, the only thing that could get me into a short is a powerful short signal like a eagle shot. You're going to notice a lot of that from my videos, that a lot of my trades and my signals and algorithms are all based on archery and shots like that. I love it. I love archery, and I'm really into those things. But you'll see later on. Looking for, oh, there might be a long setting up right there. Does that long have an impulse? It has a hidden impulse. I gotta put that in. Now, all right, there's a long right here. This is a long drawback right here. This is called a bull drawback. I think it's called. I don't know. Yeah, the bull draw algo, bull draw long. This is a valid signal, and it already took profit. Okay, so it didn't even give me a chance to explain it. The only reason I didn't take it right away because the draws are not my favorite, but they're definitely less reliable once price instantly hits a level. Like it hit VWAP, and as I just said earlier, VWAP isn't as strong right now because it's really early. It's only been what, the market's been open for 2 hours. Yeah, opened at 6, so it's only been open 2 hours. So how much trading has actually gone down in this area? Yet, as you can tell, you have to respect VWAP because look how the market stops there. It builds more volume there. But VWAP goes up and down throughout the day. You know, I could kick myself for not taking this trade. It was right there. I'm still finished. I have to finish coding the bull draw algo because I really wanted to have a, what you call it, the profit target 1 and profit target 2 and whatnot. I haven't put much time into it because I don't see them as the most reliable signals. But as you see, the algo definitely is a lot stronger than I am. It told you to go long there, and look at that long. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that. Bam, 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 bam. If you trailed it, you would be out right here for 36, or you would keep going. Now, the time bars I always like to use for locations. I like to see where price is being rejected. That's what that is right there. That's what that is right there. That was a nice, this is a nice supply area right here. Actually, we just crossed it. Look at that. This is a nice supply area. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go for it. All right. There. This was a nice supply area. Price touched it, and it broke right through it. Here it looks like we, oh man. Let me see something. Did I not activate the enhanced slingshots? Sorry, there's proprietary information here, and I don't want to be shown. I don't want to show these things on any videos yet. This is brand new. This might be a draw. I don't know if there's gonna be a draw. If this is a draw, I don't have an impulse powering it. These lightning bolts are not optimized yet, so sometimes I'll see a lightning bolt right here. But what I really want is to see a lightning bolt right down there with a signal, and then I'll take, hey, I'm going for a bam, and that'll shoot right up there. Now, these are one of my targets up there. This completes a triangle. That's what I call them, the triangle structure, because the market loves to pretty much fill orders, and there's always orders up there. And by the way, I'm trading the NQ for anyone that doesn't know. This is the NQ. This is NinjaTrader also. I forgot to mention that. Not everybody instantly knows what platform you're trading. Shoot, I have a long right here. A good efficiency with a lightning bolt. Man, okay. I have a long here, and I have a long there. Okay, it's taking too long. It's going against H price. Ugh, it already hit my profit target, didn't it? It's going for it. It's going for it. It's going for it. This profit target 1, by the way. If you want a real profit target, you go up there to complete the triangle. Okay. All right, we're gonna keep this. If this becomes a double touch, that's another signal that I have, and I think I already coded it into it. So there should be a double touch arrow. This is called the double shot. The double shot arrow might appear here, and no, it did not. Okay, the stop loss was hit. So this signal came in. The impulse appeared after. I'd rather have the lightning bolt before. It's just it gives it so much power to go up. When it goes up, when you get the signal after, it gives it power, but there's a higher probability that it's gonna fight against you, especially when the efficiency isn't at 100%. Right now we're at 75% efficiency, and that's good. Do not get it wrong. 75% is awesome. That's why it's good efficiency. Optimal efficiency, however, 100%. Over here, I didn't get the confirmation. Those trades will be explained later on. Those are called impulse drive trades. That's part of the power level that I'm working on, where you'll only see this signal right here if it's powered by the impulse drive. But for right now, I do it by just by using my eyes, and I wouldn't take that long right there, which, remember, I even said I don't want to take this long because there's no impulse on it. And anyone watching will be like, what's an impulse? All right, so since none of that's going to be explained right now, let me just keep this going. Let's see if we got a nice trade. It's 826. I took one trade here, bam, took the profit target 1, came over here. I did not take this trade, and actually I want to see something. Sorry guys, so proprietary information. Oh, there's an Omega Star. Oh gosh, what's about to happen right now? Hold on. Omega Stars are the most dangerous signal that I have. It's like, if you don't respect the Omega Star, you are going to pay for it. Okay, here. Before I even keep going, look, an Omega Star just appeared right here. I said in an early video, I'm going to be saying this throughout the series a lot, and when I finally release this, oh wow, look at all the selling that came in. Beautiful selling. There was a long without impulse is no good to me. But the Omega Star appeared right here, right near the open, and it pushed the market straight down. Only problem with that, that wasn't a signal. That wasn't any type of signal for me. There's nothing I can do about that. What I could have done, however, is taken this long, but it moved too fast. Damn, 20 ticks, $100 right there. All right, so price went right up to the open. It went right up to touch the Omega Star, and it starts shooting back down. I cannot go short because there is no short. There's no short signal, and I don't like to gamble anything that's not part of the algo, because this isn't about gambling. This is about trading well, consistent trading, very easy trading. If it doesn't seem easy right now, that's fine. It would seem easy later on. Right now, I'm just journaling my trades. I want to just show that this system works any time of day. It's 8:30 p.m. right now on a Thursday, and the market is making really nice moves. Thursday night. It means you can go to work all day, come home, eat, take a shower, and then get on your computer for an hour or two. Let's see if I can catch a trade. Oh, the market is dropping. I bet you if I check, somebody's talking about something. Okay, right now, Omega Star, I have a signal. I'm taking that signal. We broke the Omega Star. Now, this is a risky signal. I do like it though. I'm sticking by it. This is trade number 2. Sticking by it. See if it's willing to make a little move up before it starts dropping. Now, one of my biggest issues is I don't like trading right before a level. And believe it or not, I'm about to show you why. It's like it's obvious. Before that even happened, I called the shot. I said, oh, here it goes. All right, well, guess what? It's part of the game. Scared money does not make money. So my problem was I didn't see what is happening. Whoa, the market just dropped. Is Trump talking? I bet you he's talking. What is happening? Financial juice. China injects what? China injects money. South Korea monitoring. South Korea financial market associates. China is expected to ramp up. No, I don't. Yeah, it has to do with the China. I mean, this is the Asian session, so yeah, maybe Trump's actually sleeping right now. It's a little special day. But, ladies, gentlemen, look at this. This is crazy. This is like 9 a.m. in the morning, 9:30 in the morning. Look, the market just collapsed right now. 238 ticks in 5 minutes? No way. No, in 1 minute, it went 171 ticks. Oh, that's a potential short. Oh, never mind. Look what just happened to the speed optimizer. Oh my gosh, the market just crashed. What the heck is going on? Wow. Okay. Okay. I am going to just sit on my hands. I hear a lot of Omega stars being attacking this Omega star. These things are dangerous. You don't want to be a part of this. Whoa, what is going on? What is going on? I'm telling you, there's going to be news that comes out in a minute or so. Something just happened. I don't understand it. That is a lot of Omega stars. What is the market speed at? Oh my goodness. This is morning speed. I'm going to have to switch to a 10-tick chart. Let's see. I'm loading up a 10-tick NinjaTrader right now. See if I could catch any type of trades. My goodness. This is insane. Now, as I'll explain later on in another video, another day, one of my money management protocols, I'm only set to lose a certain amount on these trades. So since I just switched from a 6-tick chart, this is a 6-tick chart right here, I have to switch now to a 10-tick. What? The 10-tick is useless. Look what just happened. The 10-tick is also on a dangerous speed. Now, I don't know if you know how NinjaTrader bars work, but 10-tick means that each reversal bar is 20 ticks. So that means you take a trade from up here, the risk is like 25, 30. So that's like $150 in one single trade, which is way beyond my risk appetite, as you may call it. So what I do is, what I do right now is I stay away. I stay away from this thing right now because this is well beyond my risk, my acceptable risk. So I'm going to switch. Let's put this on aqua. No, I'm sorry. Let's put this on violet because I also have other markets that I can look at. And oh, that's taking forever. My goodness, I don't know what happened. It's 8:30 p.m. Asian session right now, and this market is literally moving like if it's 9:30 a.m. on a regular open market session. I mean, look at this drop right here. Look at the craziness. Oh, look at my speed sensors. We're at 100%, almost 120 of the allowable speed. That's not a good thing. That's why it's red. We're at 5% optimal speed. That's even worse. So I am going to move to the Dow Jones. Let's see. Dow Jones looks like it's moving. I'm loading it right now on another chart. I'm doing that because I don't want to stay here all night. I'm tired. And since I can't trade NQ for the time being, I want to move to an instrument that allows me to take the exact same trades that's moving really well. And here we go. There, look. There's your Dow Jones. There is your Dow Jones. Okay. Let's move this away. I said no instrument link. I need to put this Dow Jones right there. We're 100% efficiency. This is a 6-tick bar. Okay. Let me just make sure that the Dow Jones is tradable. 6-tick, 100% efficiency. Yeah, so the Dow and the Nasdaq did the exact move. It's just obviously the Dow doesn't move at the same speed, so it doesn't move 100, 200 ticks while with the Nasdaq, but it did drop 100 and something ticks while the Nasdaq dropped like 400, whatever it was. I don't actually know. China is expected to. Yeah, this is the only thing that I see that could have happened. I don't see anything else. It has to do with that China thing, because this is the Asian session. Anything they do is affecting the markets right now. It's just that simple. Asian session. In Asia something happens and it affects the markets here, I guess. Man, but look at the Dow. The Dow is just going straight down, straight up. There are no price action signal. Would have been able to even take that? Imagine, right there, 44. Look at this one right here. Look at all the signals that hit their target ones. We got PT profit target number 2, number 3. We got a trail target right down there. Holy moly! If I would have caught any of that, 123, and I would have been done. I have a set amount that I want to make per session. Okay. This right here does not have an impulse, so I have no desire to take it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Sorry, but it's true. And see, it would have hit the stop loss anyway. Taking that trade, it just wasn't powered. Just a quick note for later on, so you don't think I'm crazy. Impulse is an algorithm that I also discovered. I didn't know how to use it properly until I merged it with a few other algos that I've been working on into this supreme algo, basically. Now, the impulse, or pretty much the power pulse, that's going to probably be the official name when it's ready. I noticed that using that actually filters out a lot of bad trades. Trades that I normally would love. Like, I would just look at it and say, wow, these trades are amazing. But they're not that amazing. See, right now, I don't have any impulses on any of these bars. So even if a trade works out, there are trades that I don't need the impulse on. Obviously, like a eagle shot. Those I'll show later on what that is. Enhanced slingshots don't always need it. But regular trades like these are called quick shots. That's a quick shot. This is quick shot 2, Q2. These trades are the lower probability trades. So if I click the power button, bam, those trades, when it's time for them to appear, they won't appear. If I click it again, not right now, but if I click it when it's ready, we're gonna go to a middle level where those trades will only appear if they're powered by impulse. It's a pretty cool design that I thought of just recently, actually. This is all to help me trade better and to make the system more reliable. That's the point. I want the system to be reliable for me. I want to make money from trading for myself. And I want to make it nice and easy. So if I want to show someone how to use it, it's very, very, very easy for them to use and copy the method themselves without any hesitations. So, what did I just say? I said this trade's not that reliable. That's the first stop. I said this trade's not reliable, and that you're just about to stop it. This could actually turn into nope, never mind. There's the top. See, those two trades, just using my my eyeball, I knew that they weren't reliable, so I ignored them. So that's lost 1, 2, lost 1, and lost 2 that you avoided. 18 ticks on that one. It should be 18 on the same thing. It's the same bar size. Yeah, so it's about 36 ticks. It's $180 that I did not lose just by using a very, very, very simple and easy to use filter. Okay, market is slowing down a bit. 30% optimum, 100% efficiency, 30%. Let's see what happens. It was slowing down a lot. Oh, geez. Okay. Yeah, it's taking a long time. Okay. Plus, we're in a nice run. Look at these up bars, man. That's just insane. Up bars, up bars, up bars. Beautiful. Alright. I think it's going back to normal. Oof. Okay. See, the speed is dropping. It's at 20% market speed itself. I don't know how these bars are still considered efficient. Oh, they are. I can see it. They're still efficiency bars, meaning the signals are reliable. Except for these two. These are quick shots. I'm down to trade, so what I want is some very, very simple, very highly reliable signal before I commit another dollar. Okay. Just pause for a minute. All right. Just took a little break because the market started moving wacky, as I like to call it. We're back on the NQ right now. Okay, yeah, we're back in the NQ. It's still a little bit high for me. We got 50% the speed and 100% efficiency for a 10-tick bar. So because I'm using a 10-tick NinjaTrader, I'm not trading the regular account anymore. I'm on Sim, but I'm copy trading. That's what I do. Copy trade to the main accounts, whatever I decide to trade. If right now, can I hide this? Man, there's too much information there. I can't. Sorry, I'm just looking at all these screens. I can't wait to just have this completely optimized. So I only have to really focus on one screen. Okay. I mean, that's the goal of the system. I want to focus just on the main screen. Look at these two charts. A time chart for some quick reference. And Renko with a price-based chart. Whatever it'll be called later on. Okay. Ooh, man. I'm falling asleep. All right. Now there was an Omega Star right here. That Omega Star did nothing for me because there was no signal. Even if it moved down up a little and it came all the way down, it doesn't matter. I'm trading algorithmically. I trade like an algo. That's it. I follow the algo, so I'm trading like an algo. If it tells me to take a trade, I take it. All right. Right now, speed has dropped, so I can start switching a few things down. I knew that was gonna happen. It was like a quick bump, you know. 6. Oh boy, oh boy. I am tired. Excuse me. You know what? Why not? I might look at the. Yeah, I'm tired. I got it. Market. There's a long there with no impulse. H bias is long, a short. I do have an long.
Order submitted.
I'm taking that trade. Oh wow, that was awesome. And it removed my loss from the other trade. The only problem is I didn't have the profit target set properly because I have it right now at 20. That's not what I meant to do. And that was a double touch signal. Darn it, why was I looking at the other screen? This is a double shot, right? A double shot plus the quick shot. The quick shot didn't have the impulse where I wanted it, but it built the impulse later on. I can see it on another screen. And that would have been such a beautiful trade if I had the right. Here's a power shot, another one of my favorites.
Order submitted.
I'm taking it from there. It has an impulse. Yeah. Ugh, all right, I got a bad fill on this trade.
Order submitted.
There's the full fill. This gives me a better fill right there. Remember, I'm doing only half contracts really, so if I can get a trade in from here, then that's awesome. Profit target right there. That gives me a much better risk reward regardless. So if this trade doesn't work, it's fine. At least I know that I was going for the proper risk reward. What I don't like is getting a terrible fill and then taking a trade at a worse risk reward. In other words, I want to keep my same probability. The probability of it going down here. That's the whole point of this. Same probability. Probability on the power shot, because this is called a power shot. The power shot. It's weird. Where is my? Why can't I see my prices? My trades. Oh, there they are. Oh, okay. That the risk is moved.
Order filled. Order filled.
Took it. All right. Why did I take it right there? Because that's P1 right there. Gave me another power shot, even though it gave me actually like 3 signals there. It gave me the regular power shot. What was that? I don't even know what the heck that is. I don't even have that indicator here. Okay. That's fine. So yeah, that's exactly what it gave me there. What was that? I don't even know what that was. It's alright. That was a nice trade. Okay. That put me at 117 bucks. Yeah, see that? Wow, well, 115 bucks actually, sorry. Notice I still can't trade this chart. We're at reduced efficiency right there. I don't want to mess with it. It is 7 minutes until 9. That was trade number 3. The goal is to take 3 profitable trades. Obviously, I didn't take 3 profitable trades. And man, look at all the signals I missed. Because I had 1 profitable, 1 loss. So that puts me at pretty much 0 negative. Then I didn't take anything else. Gosh darn it. Look at this. Look at this trade right here. Look at that. How did I miss that? Oh, I wasn't looking at NQ anymore. Look at this. That one trade would have had me done for the night. Done for the night. Oh, there's an enhanced slingshot. Right into the profit target. Then it build a cluster to get you out of there. Which is fine. You already took your profit. You don't care about that. Man, I love this system. These lightning bolts, I have a way to filter them all out. I don't want to see those every single move. I only want to see them in certain places, like here. This would have been a nice trade. Again, wasn't paying attention. Hit full target, 40 ticks. Gosh darn diggity. Okay. And I end up with this. So I missed out on like 5 trades while looking at YM. The YM is the Dow. The Dow is so slow. Then I come here. I took this one. Didn't double up on it, which is fine. One trade would have been fine. Didn't get to take full profit because my ATM strategy, that's what this is, isn't set right. Oh, now I do want to see something. Where is... gold. Gold, what the heck? Oh man, I'm hungry. How am I so hungry right now? It is like, oh, it's 8:55. I haven't really eaten dinner. Gold. Why am I even looking at a gold chart? I didn't even know I had these loaded up for tonight. Okay. Market, did it slow down? Market. Did you slow down? Okay. Sorry, I have them looking at a few things, so I can't, oh, like I said, I can't wait to get myself fully organized. I'm tired of looking at so many charts. That's why I'm setting everything up for this system right here, so that I can just look at this chart and the time chart, and that's it. I want everything right here, like a control panel, What is that? Is this going to be a move? Oh, there's going to be a long right there. Okay. Efficiency is at 100. Are we sure we're at 100? On a 10? Let me just, as much as I hate to refresh these charts. Oh, look, there's a short. There's a short right there, but there's no, damn, I can't take it. I can't do it. I cannot take that short. I can't. It's a power shot. You should have taken the short. It's a power shot. See, that's why I don't want to look at 100 charts, and I don't want to keep looking back and forth. That was a power shot, and it already, the power shot is not fueled by the impulse drive, but it already went to the break-even area. Yep. 16 ticks. Oh, you would have taken 16 ticks. Nate, no, I'm okay. I got 3 minutes until 9. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call the video right now. That's it. I don't want it to be too long. It's already been a little bit too long, but I'm gonna just leave it at what it is. I am up about 2 profitable trades, just 2. My goal for tonight was on this account $150. My first trade here 65. Then I lost. Then I had to recover that. Then I won, but I didn't win the full amount. And then on top of missing a few trades. But it's alright. This is the Rags to Riches first video. Just want you to see. System still works at night, works in the daytime. I'm going to be trading every time, all day, different timelines. Not all day, but different timelines. And all sessions. Now what I call sessions are the Asian session, the Australian session, which is a 6 o'clock till like 7 something. Well, 6 till 1 or 2 in the morning, but the Australian by itself is 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. There are trades there. 7 something p.m. that's the Asian session part 1, and 8 something is like the full Asian session. There are lots of trades there using a nice price-based system. I seen trades at 1 a.m. in the morning, at 2 a.m. Eastern, and London session. Then the morning sessions pre-market. The morning market session, which is after 9:30. Pre-market is pretty much any time before 9:30. Like right now it's pre-market, but I like to break it down into different sessions. And then we have an afternoon session. Here comes a potential trade. I don't like it. It's a slingshot. It's not an enhanced slingshot, and it's not powered by the impulse drive. I'm leaving it alone. And before I even finish explaining it, it already hit the stop loss. See? Before I finish explaining it, it hit the stop loss if I were taking that trade. Now it got powered by impulse drive, and then it just shot all the way up. Gosh darn, I love this system. The market is shooting up and down. As you can see, it's flying. It's nothing to freak out about. It's 9 p.m. Okay? 9 p.m. What time is that in Tokyo? That's 11 a.m. I forgot what time it is. But 9 p.m. is an important hour in the Asian session. I just have no idea what's going on right now. Is there any news? Blah, blah, blah. 20 Chinese manufacturing. No, that's 8:30. 22. No. It's just 9 p.m. and some extra stuff that just happened. All right. So, yeah, just for the sake of the video, I'm going to stop right here. And plus, I'm tired. I'm going to make mistakes. I already see that in the system. I see reduced. Oh, wow. It went straight to dangerous speed. You see it? Dangerous speed. That means it's not even efficient anymore. All these trades are just unreliable at this point. This is unreliable. Even if it works out, it'd be a mistake to take that trade. It really, really would. At that point, I would move to a higher chart like this one. I have the 10, and we still have reduced efficiency. The market is flying. Reduced efficiency is a lot better than danger speed. Like, you can trade it. I have a very set goal on the rags to riches, which will be explained in another video. But because of that set goal, I have to be a little bit picky on the trades that I take. I can't just go after every single signal. I created this knowing that it can work, but I also know how unreliable these signals can become when I apply the speed equation to them. Actually, the speed equation is the basis of this entire system. It will also be explained, but you know what? I got like 1 minute or two and then I'm done because I am exhausted. This system was built with the very, 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 very basic understanding that the market moves at different times. I mean, it moves differently depending on the time of day. The volatility shifts so much. Which market you choose, could be Nasdaq, it could be gold, it could be silver. And I learned that a lot of systems, they just want you to do the same thing no matter what time of day it is. And that's why they never really worked out for me. So I found a way to make every single trade tailored to my specific needs. And my specific needs had to do with the volatility of the market. But I couldn't figure out how to adapt that into an algorithm. And then it took some time, and honestly took me a few months. But eventually I came up with what I call now the trading speed equation. That algorithm allowed me to build from the ground up this entire system. And for right now, it's still in its infancy. It's been about 2 years, but this is the first time that I feel comfortable sharing it publicly because I see the power of it and I know how reliable it is. But I definitely want to make it a lot prettier and a lot easier to use, because what I want is a simple, you turn it on, you get a signal, bam. That's why I invented the power button. This was only like a week ago that I thought about it. Have a power button where I filter out all the undesirable trades, but you want to keep all the other trades because sometimes they do work depending on the rules. But if you just want to make it like the rags to riches that I'm going for right now, I only want desirable high probability trades. So normally I would just press that button, but I still have some coding to do on it to make it to make those trades more desirable, more realistic, more reliable. That's the proper term to say. Right now, I just allow all the signals to show, and then I could just filter them out using my eyes and my mind, knowing which signals I shouldn't take. See, notice I didn't take any of these. I didn't take that or that. And we are running at reduced efficiency. So don't get me wrong. I see a big dump. Look at all these sellers that came in right here. The sellers moved the market straight into yesterday's close, and from the close, they bounced right up, giving me... Oh, and on top of that, it was an eagle eye shot. Oh, baby. See that? See that little eagle? Let me unlock that. Yeah, that's my absolute favorite trade. An eagle eye signal. The eagle eye entry was right there. But the market moved so fast, you never would have had a chance to enter it. I wouldn't have had a chance to enter it. Because again, this is for educational purposes only. And entertainment. This is day one. Yeah, rags to riches, Asian session. Up 150, 100 and change, minus commissions or whatever. That's not my goal for today. I'm just really tired. I had a long day and I'll come back. This morning I did 260, I think it was. Yeah, something like that. So I'm going to keep trading. I'm going to keep building these accounts up. And then I'll have a nice summary video once I'm ready to explain a little bit more. Oof, look at this. See this? This would be an amazing trade right here. But I don't trust it. This efficiency was terrible, and now we're at low efficiency. The signal's going back. It might just hit the stop loss, make anyone that took it look like a fool because, well, they didn't have the speed equation in their system, so they didn't know that it was an unreliable trade. But I also see a star right here that might turn into an omega star. I don't know. And right now it doesn't matter. I am ending the video. If you watch this video, please click like and support the channel. There will be more content to come. This is just my beginner phase. I'm not really a YouTuber, so I'm just learning how to put videos online. I am a trader, and I am building this system as a trading system, a real trading system, not some silly sell gimmick where, oh, you're going to make $1 million if you do this and do that. No. This is a real trading system designed to make me money, and I love that I'm able to share it now, at least what it looks like in its infancy. Let's look at it as it progresses, all right? Have a good night.